Hi there, I'm here with a new series based on tech news. Let's start with the first episode right now. The first news is about the price cuts on the Moto G5 series. The price of the Moto G5 has been cut by 3,500 rupees and the price of the Moto G5 Plus has been cut by 6,000 rupees. And the price of the Moto G5s has been cut by 2,000 rupees, while the price of the Moto G5s Plus has been cut by 3,000 rupees. The second news is about the expected specifications of the Samsung Galaxy S9. Samsung may roll out a display technology called Y-Octa, a YOUM on-cell touch AMOLED. This display technology allows the touch sensor to be merged directly with the flexible OLED layer. The third news is about the Mi TV4, which is set to enter the Indian TV market on February 14th. It will probably have the same specifications as the Mi TV4, which is launched recently in China. It flaunts a frameless design and incorporates Mi TV bar with 10 speakers, 2 wireless rear satellite speakers and a subwoofer. Coming to an end, the fourth and the last news is about the Razer Electra V2. The Razer Electra V2 has now launched in India with a price of 5,699 Indian rupees. The headphone comes with a frequency response of 20 to 20,000 Hz and 40mm drivers with neodymium magnets. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the Tech Guy for more videos.